Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our few sessions in past, we have been working on the purchase order entry taxation uh, computation process has been completed in both sides, means in edit and also in the new. In case of the new purchase entry, which we see here, and in case of existing purchase order when you edit. So this is being tackled. Means the computation and the calculation of taxation is properly in place now, and also we had security for the any for preventing any attempt to edit the calculated tax. For example, if somebody wants to make it 90 K and presses enter, so the system automatically brings it back. So, so this is another way of restricting the users from any uh, edit attempt, right? Okay, so this is the purchase order uh, part of the tax computation. Now let's copy the same thing into the sale order entry system. Let's start with the sale order. You see, and the sale order also it shares the same form view uh, part, and we have this issue as it is appearing in here, right? So we have to tackle it as we did in the purchase order case, right? So we will do this, and also in case of editing, for example, 80. If we go to 80, what happens? It does, does not calculate the tax, and this has to be moved in here, right, in the editing portion of the. So we will do it as we did in the purchase order case. Very easy. We will go to the tax, the uh, VBA editor, and then we will go to the sale order form, yes, and we go to the initialize option. First of all, this is the user form initialization, and we will say this is the place where we would like to blank out anything which is already written. So that is the column 8, right? So that when it starts with a blank form instead of writing it. Well, let's see it when you click it. So this time the received and the other field, the remarks are not appearing, right? That's good. The next is we want in the edit case, the text computation has to be placed, right? So let's go back to the sale order form. In this, we will uh, go to the sale order form here. Yeah, this is the sale order form. And we will go to the edit because the problem is related to the edit, right? In the edit, we see that the text computation has to be copied in here, right? So that we have the text computation in place. Okay, so this is where we need to put the taxes. So no need of computation at the time of editing. All it need to do is pick the information from the sale order detail directly. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint in here. like here, and we will copy the things which we did, and we will make sure that the information what we uh, had, what we need here is available in the SO detail sheet, right? So this is the information. We need to copy it directly from here, right? This is the sale order ID, and from here it is going to pick from the 12th column, right? So this information is going to be placed in the form, right? So very easy. What we do, we have already put information here. So we will use a pick information like this, and so since it is picking the information and it is writing the item number, etc., etc., that's fine. Okay. So here we are doing it. Let me do it. We will come up with a, as soon as the user enters an existing PO, so it is going to uh, going to start listing it. And first of all, it has to bring the tax in here. Okay. So we have put a breakpoint. Let's do it and run it, and we do the needful. Let's go to the sale order. In the sale order, we take an existing sale order, for example, 80, right? So now it is starting to develop the information in here, and later on it is going to pick this information here. It will write all these information. Okay, right. So what we do is it has started doing the job of entering. This is item number 0, first of all. Okay, the next is, and this is item number, row number 2 at the moment, right? So what we do is we put the breakpoint in here. Okay, so this will list down everything. Okay, so let's run this and see what is the R position. This is the R3 now. Okay, as soon as it reaches to the selected order number, it is going to start listing, right? So let's run it until it's so what we do, we remove this breakpoint from here and we play it. So this is the point where R is 73, means it has located the purchase order and it is now starting its job, right? And here we put the breakpoints so that you see all the information are listed. Now, about the text, we have to select something we have to do. So this is going to be 7 for sure, right? So that right thing goes to the right column. And in the 6, we are going to bring, we are going to bring the text, yeah? So let's say, what is it? It's MTX, for example, right? And this is going to be 6, okay? So we have to set up something about MTX, and this is where it is going to be located. Okay, so the total amount is this, and this was the last unit price. This is the discount. Okay, this is the amount. Amount is being calculated. Fine. So column 6 is the discount, right? So MTX, for example, we have chosen the variable, and we will write L tab, that is the table object in which Rx is the right variable. So here, let's say 10, for example, just to see what does it bring. Okay, so what we do is here, yeah, yeah. Let's bring the MTX here, F8, F8, right? What does it bring? It brings 1896. This is probably this. The amount, where is the amount? 180. Okay. So we are going to bring, so we can stop it here and we go directly to where it is in the sale order detail. Yeah, in this sale order detail. Yeah. So this is the text, okay, and the column unit price is on 5th column, right? And the amount is being calculated. That's fine. So this 5th column is the unit price, and 13, column number 13 is the text which we want to pick. So we get back to here and we get back to where we were doing the amendment. Yes, this is where we are doing it. And this is the column number MTX, which the variable which we have taken into the consideration. Right, so where is this MTX? Yeah, yeah. So 13. So we will check it if it brings the right thing. Okay, so let's start the sale order. We bring 80. Now it has started listing it down, and we will stop for it here. Okay, so let's see. So it has brought the information 315 as a text, right? And now it is going to write the remarks, fair enough, and that's all. So let's remove this breakpoint from here and let's run it. Okay, so this is now going to write the second thing, right? Okay, invoice, fair enough. Okay, the next is we do this. Okay, right. So it is now writing and developing it. That's right, it has done it. That's right. Okay, so this is the status of the sale order 80. It has been invoiced. The items have been shipped, and the tax amount has been calculated, and the tax total has to be displayed in here. This we will do. Okay. So now the right thing is coming in right thing. Only we have to make sure that it should be consistent. Okay, that's right. Okay, so so far so good, and see you in our next video. We will complete this job for the sale order. Thank you very much.